In this video, I will be teaching you the simplest way you can use in changing kilometer per hour to meter per second. But before I give you that, I would like us to start with the conventional method we can use in changing kilometer per hour to meter per second. Here is the question. What quantity do you think has its unit to be kilometer per hour? The answer is speed or velocity. As you all know, speed has its formula to be distance over time. Speed has its formula to be distance over time, and velocity has its formula to be displacement over time. So, distance has its unit to be meter, not kilometer. I mean the SI unit now, not kilometer, not centimeter, not millimeter. The SI unit of distance is meter, whereas the SI unit of time is not minute, it's not hour, it is seconds. So meter over seconds, that means meter per second. But in this case, the meter here is given to be in kilometers. Instead of we having meter, we are having kilometer. And instead of we having seconds, we are having hour. So now, what do we have to do in changing kilometer per hour to meter per second? Like I said, distance has its SI unit to be meter, not kilometer. Time has its SI unit to be seconds and not hour. But we want to change kilometer to meter, hour to seconds. What do we do? So let's start with the conventional method. Let's take, for example, let's say we are given 360 kilometer per hour, and you want to get this change to meter per second. The SI unit of speed is not kilometer per hour, it is meter per second. So what do we do here? You can have this to be 360 kilometer per means what? Over, that's over hour. 360 kilometer. So that means the coefficient of this kilometer here is 360. The coefficient of this hour here, it is 1. So we are about to change kilometer to meter. We are about to change hour to seconds. So if I want to change kilometer to meter, what do we do? There is a video where I talked about unit conversion, where I did explain how we can change meter to centimeter, kilometer to meter. If you want to know more about this, please check the video you can see here on the screen. Thank you very much. So changing kilometer to meter, it is multiplied by 1000. So this will be 360 multiplied by 1000 over 1 hour. We want to get it changed to seconds. So if you want to change 1 hour to seconds, that will be 1 hour, change it to minutes, which is multiplied by 60. Then for minutes, you also change it to seconds. So that will be 1 multiplied by 60. It has been changed to minutes. So now I'm about to change minutes to seconds, and that will be multiplied by 60. So if you punch your calculator, we can say 0 yen, 0 yen, 0 yen, 0 yen, 6 here 1, 6 here is 6. 6 yen 1, 6 yen is 1. And what you have left is 10. So that is 10 meter per seconds. So changing 360 kilometer per hour using the conventional method now, we are going to have 10 meter per second. Are you clear with that? So the same thing with, let's say we have 72 kilometers per hour. What do we do here? 72 kilometers, that's 72 kilometers per, that's division over hour. We are changing kilometer to meter, and that is multiplied by 1000. That's 72 multiplied by 1000 over, I said the coefficient here is 1. So changing 1 hour to seconds, that will be 1 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. So if you do well to punch your calculator, you are going to have 20 meters per seconds. I believe you are clear with that. So this is how we change kilometer per hour to meter per seconds using the conventional method. So back to the simplest way now. If I want to change kilometer per hour to meter per seconds, you don't need to stress yourself too much. You just get it divided by 3.6. If you are changing kilometer per hour to meter per seconds, just divide by 3.6. So let's say we have, just like this, we have 360 kilometers per hour. Then you want to change this to meter per seconds. Just take your calculator and have 360 divided by 3.6. They are going to have 10 meters per seconds. Same thing with 72 kilometers per hour. If you want to change 72 kilometers per hour to meter per seconds, if you do not want to use this method, you want to use the simplest method. Pick up your calculator, punch 72 divided by 3.6. Then again, you have your answer to be 20 meters per seconds. I believe we all enjoyed the class. In case you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.